Alright, so we started out putting some Billet Technology bling in here. This piece is new. They got the beverage deletes. Had this one from the scat pack. Same with those. Got the new coolant tank, supercharger coolant tank cover, and the cap with a little Team BT action on it. Have a catch can for here and a catch can for back there. I'll go over those in a separate video. A couple more pieces coming in. I have a custom cut piece for here, and then we got this one here. So just to give you guys some backstory on this one, my dad's had a lot of cool cars in his life. We spent a lot of time working on them as I was growing up as a kid. He had a 66 Impala Super Sport convertible. We had a 55 Ford Fairlane 500. We had a 68 or 69 Lincoln Continental with suicide doors. And the last car that he decided to start working on was a PT Cruiser. And we put in a lot of time on that car. That was the last car he and I worked on together up until, I guess, about a year before he passed away. So this car is probably the last 10 years of memories. So this is the car that went on here. It's not a minivan. It is a PT Cruiser. Deal with it. It's my way of remembering my pops. And on the back window, in this area right there, he had a sticker that said, "Still cruising." So that's why this piece is exactly the way it is. Alright, so the piece we're installing today is the strut tower cover. And I picked this one up with the additional nut set that you can get with it to make it look even prettier. And that nut set comes with a nice set of washers as well. Now the reason I chose to do the install for this one and not the other pieces is because this one you do actually have to set down, you have to remove your strut bolts. You have to put this down and then you have to torque them back down again. So we're going to cover that. It's a couple minute install. Alright, so as per the service manual, and I only have this giant torque wrench here, as per the service manual, the strut top mount screw or bolts are 20 foot-pounds. So I'm doing it with a torque wrench because, as you know, 20 foot-pounds isn't much, and I don't want to pass it up. And I'm doing it I'm just taking my time working my way around. It's probably best to have a deeper socket. We're going to go grab a deeper socket. There we go. That's all it takes. Alright, so that's it. 20 foot-pounds for these bolts. Nicely installed. Everything's nice and solid. Looks good with the Team BT logo on it. Alright, so we got these 3 nuts left over. Obviously we'll put those in a little baggie, label them up, and stick them in the parts bin. But here we have it. And just to round out the area in color, we've got the little mini catch can back there. And yeah, that'll be it. But a nice close-up of what that looks like. It's a beautiful cover. So that's it for today's video. I just wanted to make sure you guys had the proper torque specs for these nuts up here. Again, 20 foot-pounds is all you need, so you're not monkey wrenching these things down. And then the rest of these parts here, I've got a video. We'll put installing most of them on my scat pack. They're pretty simple. Alright, so she's coming along nice. Got a couple more pieces out. Well, got the 2 catch cans that are here. I'm going to put those in on another video. I'm actually going to go into detail on, do you need the catch can for the modern Hemis, what the catch cans do, why do you want one, all that good stuff, any of the benefits, all that stuff that everybody asks. I'm going to try and squeeze it into one video, plus do the installation while I do it. But this video is just to make sure you guys had the proper torque specs for that gorgeous piece right there. And that's it. If this video helped you out in any way, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.